goes around the corner. Walking on fighting side of me. That don't look like it. It don't. It don't go down. Robert, it goes down. No, it don't. It don't go down. Oh!
Carl's gonna catch a Goliath too, guys. He's never done it. Nope. He talks a big game. We're gonna see what he can actually do today. You ready? Yep. Go, bro. Gonna put those football players to shame. Wow. Go. Go now. Oh my God. Bro, you're breaking my rod, dude. Am I? Yeah, come on, stand up. Stand up. I got you. What are you, that Sweeney Tower of Pizza? Watch out, dude. What was that? I'm showing you what it is. You fell over in slow motion.
He's got no line. That wheel's line.
Oh, shit! Oh, Jesus Christ! It's all mine! It's all mine! Get it!
Shit,
Son of a bitch! It's a shot!
It's a shot! A shot! It's a big ass shot!
It's on your pole, baby. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Oh, God.
Oh, I got that on camera!
Did you have it on camera?
On camera! Woo! Oh! You should have seen that shark! Oh!
Shit. Oh, God, I'm shaking.
Okay.
Here we go. Uh-oh, here we go. Go, bro, start recording. Yo! It's tied off.
We're coming to get you, Chad! Hey, Chad, that was less than 30 seconds. You still got him?
Yeah.
Come on, pull him, man. Come on, pull him. You gotta pull him. Come on, you got a shot, Chad.
You got him, Chad. You got him. Got him, boy. You got him.
Go easy, go easy, go easy.
God, dude. What? I'm still gonna land it. No! Turn, boy. There's no chance, dude. What? Yeah, if you can. There's no chance of landing this fish. I gotta hand line it.
Med där, vi tar det en gång till. En hungrig gädda passar på att hugga den fasthållna harren rakt i händerna på harren. Såret tejpades och därefter släppte de inte fler harrar efter varandra på samma ställe. Jag berodde på alla beton. De har vågat och gett sitt liv så det kanske...
This has to be one of the craziest fish catches in my entire life. I've never, ever in my life would have thought that I would have found the line to a fish that snapped off 2 hours later. I feel like she's about to start wailing. Oh, this is not a dropper. Let's go. Dude, she's tense. She's so tense. Probably gonna need some help here.
Oh, my God. You're all right?
Yeah.
Holy shit. The fish has knocked you on its ass twice today.
That just, dude, that tail just.
Oh. We're gonna do what it takes today. Had a bite? Had a bite? Come on, dude, you can't stop jigging. Yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, the jig, dude, look at that. We can get him. We can get him. Oh my god. Dude, instant line break. Instant rock break. Oh my god. Oh, we got him, bro. We got him. Come on, bro. We got him. This is... Guys, this is... We got... My rod just instantly broke, dude. That is insane. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. Did it come off? Oh my god. Broke you off. Oh my gosh, guys. We're talking about destroying tackle. Dude, look at that, bro. He ripped through the reel. He broke the reel. Oh.
Drop it like it's hot.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Swing it a bit. I'll give it some welly, lad.
En küçük yere kurgarı var. Çok büyük.